Welcome! Today, we're diving into the backbone of most data analysis, structured data. It's the kind of data that makes business intelligence possible. So, what is it? Structured data is any data that is organized in a predefined, consistent format, what analysts call a schema. Think of it as data that fits perfectly into a spreadsheet or a database table. It has 4 key characteristics. First, it's tabular, meaning it uses rows and columns. Second, it has a predefined schema. The rules are set before the data is stored. Third, it's easy to query, usually with SQL or structured query language. And finally, it's often relational, allowing different pieces of data to link up, like connecting a customer to their orders. Let's look at a concrete example: relational databases. Imagine an e-commerce company. They have a customers table with columns like customer ID, first name, and city. They also have an orders table with order ID and a total amount. The crucial part? Both tables share the customer ID. This structured format allows you to easily join them to answer questions like, what was the average order value from customers in New York? This is fast, efficient analysis. Another common form is in spreadsheets or CSV files. A marketing team might track campaign name, impressions, and cost. With this structured, columnar data, calculating the return on investment or ROI for every campaign is instant. Similarly, even server logs are structured using columns like timestamp, IP address, and status code to track website performance. In summary, structured data is crucial for analytics because of its efficiency and compatibility with every major business intelligence tool and machine learning model. It is the foundation for turning raw numbers into actionable business insights. Understanding structured data is a fundamental step for anyone looking to excel in data analytics, providing the clarity needed to drive informed decisions. If you want to know more about the other types of data, like unstructured data from social media and video, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.